I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious barbecue sauce chicken wings with an easy guide. This recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a fun gathering with friends and family. We'll cover everything from preparing your wings to baking them to perfection, and finally coating them in that irresistible barbecue sauce. Get ready to enjoy some incredibly flavorful and crispy wings in just a few simple steps. First, let's get those wings ready for baking. It's super important to pat your chicken wings thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve that wonderfully crispy skin we all love. Next, season them generously with a blend of salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. For an extra layer of smoky goodness, consider adding about 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Make sure every wing is well coated for maximum flavor. Now it's time to bake our wings to golden perfection. Arrange your seasoned chicken wings in a single layer on a baking sheet, ensuring they have enough space to crisp up. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 40 to 50 minutes. Remember to flip the wings halfway through the baking time. This ensures even browning and helps achieve that desirable crispy texture on all sides. The final step is arguably the most exciting: saucing your delicious wings. Once your wings are hot and crispy from the oven, transfer them to a large bowl. Pour about 1 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce over the wings. Toss them gently until every single wing is thoroughly coated in that sweet and tangy goodness. Serve these amazing barbecue chicken wings immediately with your preferred dipping sauces or alongside some tasty side dishes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.